Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new vid. Starting everything, haha. So today I'll be showing you fireworks I got with my money and all that. Let me just put these aside and all that. I got these ground brooms. Ground brooms, separate is like $3.99. The pack of whole is $12. Much better pack because these are cheap. Heek. A lot expensive for $3.99 just for one pack. And then after that, I got these sparklers to my sisters. And then after that, I bought this firecracker. I never did before. Never did. And after that, I got these goosebumps. Goosebumps are really good. 16 shot. So, this smaller shell is about to break. These, you can hear the powder. These right here are shells that came with the tube. And then you just put them in the tube like that. Then these are the artillery shells I got. Artillery shells, my favorite. Like this is the box came with. All of that came to about $30. Came the other free. So one box came with two thingies. Así, right? Así vino este. And then they came with this one. El otro, y la siguiendo que ya la vi aquí. No la vi. And then estos dos vinieron otro y otro leche. So vino todo así, right? Last but not least, I think you guys like it, are this 200-gram cake. Crazy like a fox. So this is a 200-gram cake. It has 20 shots. And then it shows the performances right here. That the colors are right here. All of that, right? And then I think if I find a video of Crazy as a Fox firework or like firecrackers, goosebumps, or TV shows, I'll for sure put them in the link description below, or I'll put them in the video when I'm editing. So these are the little fireworks I got. Might be getting more. You never know, because don't mind the shit out. So if you like the video, stay tuned. Make sure to hit the bell, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'm out.